Hello, this is John at Southern Exposure Technical Services in association with Barudan America. I want to thank you for joining us today, and I'm coming to you with a video tutorial on the BEXY and the BEXT Automat, more specifically with a question that we've been asked of, can you move a design that's been loaded into the Automat and put it onto the USB stick so that you can then take that and put it into another machine? Well, the answer is definitely yes. How you do that is a couple of steps that we're going to go into, and if you have any other questions about how we do this, you can just leave comments down in the section below, and we'll answer them and get back to you as best as we can. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So here you see the BEXY Automat. The XT is similar, just a smaller version of it, but the steps are still the same. So what you're going to do is you need to select what design you want to move first by pressing your memory button, or button number 2, and use your blue arrow keys to move around to the design that you want. I'm going to select the American flag. So go ahead and exit out of there by pressing button number 2 again. Now go ahead and insert your USB into the machine, and you can either press the G button or let that go away and clear itself out. But then you're going to go into USB by pressing number 1. So once you've done that, then you have all of the folders that I have set up on the screen, like my Altitude High School, my Christmas folders, things like that. But what you want to focus on is button A. Button A with the M with the arrow, that's memory output. It's going to take what's in the, when you press it, it's going to switch it over to where design number 2, the flag, is now going to go into the USB. So you see how that's on top? It's going to go over. But it grays out some of my other folders because those are DST folders. You have to create a folder that's labeled .fdr. Those are going to be your green ones around there. So name it whatever you want. So it'd be Alituna.fdr. Or in this case here, samples.fdr. Once I've got that selected, it's going to take that design and put it onto the USB in the samples folder by just pressing the G button. That's right, it's that simple to do. It really, really is. But we can double check that just to make sure it loaded onto the USB by obviously just going back into the USB. Then we're going to scroll down to our samples folder and go into it. Then we're going to scroll all the way down through all of these fun logos that I get to pick up and test sew and play with everywhere. And there they are. Oh, there we go. There we go. They're left and right one. So got the one there, and then of course the same one on the right hand side. So I got 2 of the same designs now loaded on that USB stick. That's because I brought it into the memory, from the memory into my USB. So I'm just going to exit out of that, and we can just go there and see that you pull your USB stick out, and then you just move over to the next machine and you load it like normal. So that's how you can do it. Can you load more than one USB, or more? Can you move more than one design from the Automat onto the USB at one time? No, unfortunately that's not possible. But you can do it one at a time. So if you have designs that you lost somewhere and they are sitting on a machine, that's how you can remove it. So if you have any questions or anything that you need to discuss with us, please feel free to contact us. I definitely hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial. If you feel free to leave a thumbs up and a like type situation down below, and we'll make more of them if you like this type of content. Definitely also leave a comment down below on what you might like to see. So again, thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy embroidery.